Buhay pre, buhay pre. Ay, naging sa lag pre. Ay, yati sa lag eh. Naka-balance na ko, show, naka-balance. Hindi na siya naka high performance. Ginawa ko ng balance eh. Wala pa rin pre. Kahit binababaan ko na yung mga graphics ko. Blue stack talaga may sira, talaga blue stack. Nice steal pare. LD player, download ako mamaya LD player. Ay install ko na lang yung LD. Buhay to para, buhay to. Pero in your dreams ay pre. In your dreams. Lag talaga pre, oh, nangina oh. Sama-sama na lang tayo, Choy. Group report na lang ni, group report. Exit na, Joy, exit na, Joy. Look ahead. Jan Subiron, what's up, Choy? Hindi na ako nagla-live sa TikTok, pre. Kaya, lagi siya lag, pre. Uy! Kita niyo guys, hindi siya masyadong smooth. Lamian eh, bunalan lamian eh, push-pushan niyo eh. Nakakasira ng galaw, min. Ano ba maganda dito, min? Naka-low optimization na ako. Shadow. HD mode, naka-off na. Sabi ko medium to. Nagigigil na ako, pre. Outline off, shadow on. Di ko, man. Ultra ko kaya ito. Nung subukan ko ultra tong kuniyo na ito. Nagigigil ako. Ultra, oh. Sige. Yan, ultra. Maximize lahat. Ultra, naka-ultra settings ako para. Lag pa rin, pre. Sige. Lag pa rin. Naka-ultra settings ako, guys. Sinubukan ultra settings. Bigay na yan. Ay, R na yun. Grabe, napaka-crispy na ng ML ko, ha. Lag pa rin to. Kaya na ako eh. On HD, colorblind. Green shake. Experiment na lang tayo dito na settings. Di, kaka-format lang ng PC ko, pre. Mankind didn't start this fight, but we're gonna finish it. Experiment lang natin best setup ng BlueStack. Parang di niya nakukuha, nakaka-catch up yung mga effects. Parang ganun. Dati natapos na nila, pre. Naubos sila, pre. Tara, Lord. Mabilis ang Lord, par. Let's go. Ingat sa spear na Moscow ba?
may not be
Ah,
as
sige, Jancel. Mamaya, Jancel. Sesend ko.
nobody has more guts.
RJ Medinilla. What's up, RJ?
You're too slow. Put all your faith in me.
Nga, nawala ang Julian. Di ako naka-transform. Na-enable na yan, Jocelyn. Enabled na.
I won't allow myself to get killed.
Ilang kaya pa to? Nakakapalag pa naman.
Look ahead. We're not gonna be victims anymore. You're too slow.
Naka-tank build doy, YZ. Naka-sustain.
Just across that sea, freedom's waiting. That's what I always believed.
Di ko papauwiin, Joy. Ay, wala naman. Sayang, may uli ka. Nasa mid lane yung Julian. May uli ang Iro.
Humanity's future
Reynald, doon sa Reynald.
outside the walls. You're too slow.
Can I take the bus?
You're too slow.
Luray mo ah, kuwara ni Rin.
Don't let a tragedy like that happen again.
Only this. Battle spell in cooldown.
When I think of that lost freedom, I feel strong. You're too slow.
Back up.
We buckle. Take it all lying down.
Your team destroyed a turret. Your enemy has
Nice
been
kill.
slain. An ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
I'll use this to fight. You're too slow. This isn't yours.
Da! Ayate!
You're too slow.
Tara, 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 Lord!
We'll make them pay for that.
Gather up the Lord.
Lord Joy, Lord Joy.
Back up.
Putlig tiil, sidestep ang kurimaw.
Request back up.
Ah, wala nang play, wala nang anong blink. Nice. Tigwa! Sidestep,
Gather up
goodbye.
the Lord.
Naisahan ta. Yung normal isa lang sana, Joy. Ipon ko muna yung ilang... Ay, sige, Jancel. Matek, matek. Mamaya, mamaya. Rose gold na lang ako.
Initiate retreat.
Mankind didn't start this fight, but we're gonna finish it.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Back up, back up.
Ally has been slain. The enemy has slain Lord. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Oh, pinamatay ang kuniho, oh.
An enemy
Nice.
has been slain.
Buti wala na yung kakampi niya dun.
You're too slow.
Marvel attack.
You're too slow.
Ano nga yung ano, Jancil? Kay RH Place ko ibibigay yung ano, Starlight. Ah! Sahan kita, naka-frozen pre. GG pa eh. Naka-frozen. Isahan.
Defeat.
Isahan kita, Choy. Naka-frozen. Sayang! Palag na sana yung ano namin, Choy. Mga heroes. Low streak talaga, pre. Walang katapusang low streak. Walang katapusang low streak. Ban nyo na nga yung Yuzong mamaya. Nanggigigil ako Yuzong. 4 na beses na nakakalaban ko. Yuzong kalaban, pre. Puro Yuzong. Ban nyo yung Yuzong mamaya. Sige lang, Jay. Wala na kaming pake sa star namin, guys. In season naman din bukas, eh. Ay, Marimar. Reynald Badamba, what's up, pre? Gilang. In season na bukas, eh. Kaya, low streak is weaving. So, may buhatan ako, ano, eh. Di pwede ma-restart kasi yung ano ko. Di kasi pwede ma-restart yung PC ko. Going pa live. Bagduki. Ako sa rotation, kamo na podcore. Digs na lang, digs. Digs. Degi. Ano na lang? Okay ba naman Shinzo, no?
The enemy is picking.
Subukan ko mamaya, Kent. LD player.
Please pick a hero.
10 years of imprisonment.
I see lots of prey.
Naglalag talaga, min. Naiinag yun siya mo. Biglang ano eh.
The
Hang eh.
enemy is picking.
Eh, maghahang, no? Oo. Di siya smooth.
I break boundaries, not bonds.
Di siya smooth, pre.
It's time to go to the RT show.
Please
Some
pick a hero.
Come and join me in my dream world.
Ano maganda? Saber na lang ko. Panghuli sa mananap.
Onimaru, save
The
my
enemy
people
is
from the
picking.
demons.
Na-revamp din yung Onimaru, guys, oh. Yung Onimaru. Maganda na din yung ano, effects niya. Yung blades niya, maganda na.
I will protect you.
Uy, Hanabi Luli.
Sanjo.
Your team is picking.
The night sky tells all.
Sige lang, Ken. Subukan natin mamaya, Ken. Onimaru! Target ko lang dito, Ling lang eh. Walang mga purify, oh. Wala purify.
until the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
My stance is that of the Force. Honor and fame mean nothing to me.
Ganda ng effects, no? Kaso lag lang talaga, pre.
My rapidity is that of the wind. Betrayal is never enough.
Grabe, sa lag, bay. Lainag, sa lag. Uy, no? Tingnan nyo, guys, oh.
My momentum is that of the fire.
Tingnan nyo yung lag ko talaga, min. Lang yata gang lag to.
Onimaru is unpredictable.
Lainag, sa lag, pre, eh. Yun naman, eh. Normal ba, eh? Oh?
Launch attack!
Hindi, normal ba?
A luxury that I cannot afford.
Nagbibiglang hang siya.
Gather up the turtle!
Good game! Attack
The
the
blood
turtle!
moon,
Wala pa ako
a
eh, sayang.
reflection of my blade.
Launch attack!
My blade is my path.
Patay kita, Choy. Isahan kita.
Good game! An enemy has been slain! Ally has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle. Well played. Request backup.
My will is that of the mountain.
Good game.
Dok! Di pa namatay, pre?
Practice
2 seconds yung execute. Kigwa. Lainag yun sa lago. Hang. Naglalag talaga siya, pre. Loko ka. Super high ko nga to.
Initiate
honor
retreat.
and fame mean nothing to me.
Enemy missing.
The blood moon, a reflection of my blade.
Samot pa eh.
Enemy missing.
My momentum is that of the fire.
Good game.
Dito lang, ling o ling. Huling ko, pre.
Attack. Ally has been slain. Good game.
Yabag. Mali. Sana bunlot eh.
Have been slain.
Lumiya talaga min. Lami ay puspos ako ang keyboard, pre, eh. Yate, malingangoy!
Gather up the turtle! Gather up the turtle!
Ano sa pa man mabuang nyabag niya eh. Nagutaw. Yo, tingnan yung maglalakad lang ako, guys, ha. Oh, maglalakad lang ako.
Initiate
Oh.
retreat.
Maglalakad lang ako niyan. Hindi nyo kasi napapansin, di kasi kayo nagmanubir.
Backup.
Yan, oh. Makikita nyo sa war mamaya. Tingnan mo mamaya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Effect pa lang yan, ha. Skills pa lang yan, skills. Skills ko pa lang yan.
My rapidity is that of the wind.
Ayag yun siya ba? Lain na, eh. Sa mukhaan, eh. Style niya, eh.
Onimaru
Skills pa lang yan, ha. Ilalabas ko pa lang yung skills ko. Ayan, Lalabas ko lang yung skills ko. Ayan, ha. Makikita niya, dismos.
The
Ayaw.
enemy has slain the turtle.
Di man guna sa ping, no? Okay ra man guna ang ping. Ang blue stack may nagproblema.
My blade is my path.
Blue stack yung problema ko, hindi yung ping.
My stance is that of
Request
the forest.
backup.
Home. A luxury that I cannot afford.
Tumatakbo pa lang ako, turot, parang something na magtuturot.
Launch attack. Shut down. Has been slain.
Tumatakbo pa lang ako, siya, para siyang ano, something na kapag explain, eh. Dula na lang ta, bisag nangingan, eh. Sige lang, ngayon ko pa lang nasubukan galing ng format, eh.
Your team
Na-format ko kasi yung PC. Supposedly, maganda na takbo ng kanyang graphics.
And
Problema,
fame
ibit
mean
pa rin.
nothing to me. Practice what you preach.
Nagoy.
The blood moon,
Regla.
a reflection of my blade.
Ay! Sayang, pre.
double kill. Has been destroyed.
Please na yun. Bad.
Gather up the turtle.
An ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack. Turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
My rapidity is
Ay!
that of the wind.
Nga, may link pala dun.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Home. A luxury that I cannot afford.
Launch attack. Oh,
Tatlo, tatlo.
ready. Our turret is under attack. Launch
My will
attack.
is that. My momentum is that of the fire. Onimaru is unpredictable.
Nasa damuhan, nasa damuhan.
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Lah! Kadogan ba, eh?
My blade is my
An enemy has been slain. Enemy has slain.
Ayay ka. Ling, wala nang SS yung Ling. Makunat-kunat na, pre. Di ko na matuli.
Betrayal is never an option.
Request backup. Turret has been destroyed.
My will is that of the mountain.
Ay, aces na, ni-aces na. Aces na, Ling, ah.
Home. A luxury that
Our
I
inhibitor
cannot
turret is under attack.
My momentum is that of the fire.
Our turret is under attack.
Kaya lagi sa lag, eh.
Triple kill. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Kunat naman kayo sila, bay. Di na madag tari. Kutsilyo na kailangan, Rejoy. Tinggap.
Been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Kunat kayo, bay. Nanghiya talaga, min. Undang siguro tag ML, eh. Undang siguro tag ML, Joy. Paitay nga ning blue stack, pre, eh. Mas lala pa man ni kaysa sa katong pa na ko giri, ano ba, eh? O pa na ko gi-format. Tanso gid ko, guys. Sorry kayo, guys. Ang, saan maniyak pa? Lag talaga siya pag endgame, nagahang niya. Kitang, change ko lang yung setup. Balance, performance, balance. Balance ay performance. High performance. Custom. Start ko muna. Ay, sige, Madam Dibon. Pasensya, Madam Dibon, ha. Ipit talaga, Madam Dibon, eh. Wala ka talaga. Di sumasang-ayon sa akin yung araw. Di sumasang-ayon sa akin yung araw, Kigwa. Sine-change ko pa setup ng BlueStack. Graphic. Compatibility. Graphics engine mode. Performance. Gawin kaya natin ang performance to. Start ulit tayo. Gawin natin performance. Performance level. Napa-settings dito. Wait lang, ah. Graphics, naka-performance, game settings. Ay, launch in full screen, devices, Windows, speakers, gamepad, preferences, allow BlueStack to connect with Discord, create shortcut for apps after installation, as for sign-in, Google Play launching, enable Android sound with tapping, allow BlueStack to show ads during gameplay. Ayan. Yes. Exit full screen, unlock more mouse cursor, auto hide. Lang nga. Okay na siguro to. Isa pang restart. Ay, wala na. Hopefully, maganda na takbo nito. Spaghetti pababa na, guys. Settings ulit tayo. Naka-ultra na ako dito. Shadow on. Ang isa.